Hello, friends. Today, we're setting off to explore the amazing world of wild animals, where each animal plays a unique role. The wild is a place where animals live freely, following nature's rules and adapting to their environment. From dense forests to hot deserts and icy tundras, you can find incredible creatures everywhere, each with its own unique traits and survival skills. Let's start with the African savanna. Here, you can see lions, often called the kings of the jungle. Lions live in prides, where the lionesses care for the cubs and hunt together, while the males protect the territory. Lions can sleep up to 20 hours a day to save energy for hunting because, as large predators, they need a lot of strength. Wandering the savanna alongside the lions are elephants, the largest land animals. Elephants have unique tusks and a long trunk, which they use to reach high branches, drink water, and even communicate with each other. They live in families and have excellent memories, remembering places with food and water, which is especially helpful during dry seasons. Now let's move to the forests, where bears roam and show incredible adaptability. Brown bears, found in North America and Eurasia, often search for food in forests and mountains. They eat berries, fish, insects, and small animals to prepare for hibernation, which helps them survive the cold months without food. In the tropical rainforests, we find monkeys, parrots, jaguars, and many other species. Rainforests are bursting with life, and every part of the forest is filled with sounds and movement. Parrots with bright feathers can fly over long distances, and monkeys skillfully swing through the trees. Jaguars are one of the most secretive and powerful predators of the forest, hunting mostly at night. And how about the ocean? Underwater, there's a vast variety of marine creatures, from swift dolphins and powerful sharks to small but dangerous jellyfish. In the ocean's depths, a whole different world shines, with glowing plankton and deep-sea fish adapted to life in total darkness. Each animal in the wild is a small miracle created by nature. The connections in nature are vital for keeping balance. Elephants help spread tree seeds, lions control herbivore populations, and ocean animals sustain life in the seas. Exploring the wild helps us see that every species matters, and we can do a lot to protect their home. Thank you for joining us on this adventure.